Hi guys, this is just a video to make sure that you understand how to submit your media recording, especially if you have to troubleshoot some issues with your submission. So I'm going to pretend that I did not submit. I'm going to hit that resubmit. You have some options in the submittal box down here at the bottom. I'm going to move it up a little bit. You want to click media first. After you click media, you'll go to the record upload media button. It will activate the recorder. And so you'll start recording. I'm just going to do a fake right now. This is just a demo on how to properly upload your video. And you're going to hit the save button. And once it is finished saving, you'll have a message that says, hey, it's ready to go. Submit. Now, in some instances, computers or Chromebooks are not behaving for that. So I'm going to give you the other way to submit right now. You're going to follow the same steps with the media recording. You're going to record your media. This is another demo of how to upload your assignment. And instead, because the save button, if you're having issues here, this will do nothing. So, and my video didn't show because I'm already activated on the camera for this recording here to show you how to do this. You're going to hit the play button, right click, and save it as a download to your Chromebook. So review it. This is another demo of how to upload your assignment. So I just right clicked, it gave me this drop down window. I'm going to hit save audio as. It's going to put it in my download files here. I'm going to save it. I probably would rename it so that I don't get mixed up in knowing what it is. And then the second step, you got to do a little more work when you have to download it. And the X out of there is that you have to go to the file upload. You hit choose file and you should be able to pick it from your downloads. There's one I just downloaded. Open it. You'll know it's linked when you see it here, and then you hit submit assignment and you're done. So hopefully that helps any of you that are struggling with your submission for your media recording. Have a great Thursday.